Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Fortnite Matchmaking Error number 1. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Let's get right into it. So the problem can either be on your side or an Epic Games server side. We can easily identify this, so don't worry. We'll first do a fix for people that happen to have this problem on their side, and then the latter. So this issue happens, all you have to do is pretty much close Fortnite and then reset your router. All you have to do is pretty much close Fortnite and then reset your router. There will either be a button on it or you can simply plug it out and plug it back in. That should work as well. After that, all you have to do is launch Fortnite. Make sure to first go into a normal game, meaning it can either be a build mode or a non-build mode, doesn't matter, but just make sure it is official Epic Games Fortnite game, not like creative or something. So play a game of Fortnite and then head into the tournament section and queue up. That should fix it. However, if it doesn't, then the error is definitely on the Epic Games server side. That means you cannot do anything about it. This is all you can do pretty much. All you have to do is pretty much spam until you get in. So that's basically how to fix Fortnite Matchmaking Error number 1. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.